Shivaji childhood. Okay, we will see with the Shivaji's child. Now tell me, children. You can give the answer in the chat box. Which was bestowed upon Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? Which Jagir was bestowed upon Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? Who restored the temple of Bhubaneswar? Some of the children has given me first only the answer. It's the Shahaji Raje. Whom did Shahaji Raje married? Some of the child has given me the first only answer. It's Jijabai. But I want the first answer to give everyone. Okay. Which Jagir was bestowed upon Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? Nizam Shah, the Jagir of Pune and Supe of Parganas is the correct answer. Pune and Supe of Pargana is the correct answer. Okay. And second and third answer you have already given me. Now see. Birth of Shivaji. When Shahaji had stopped working for Adil Shahi, that in last chapter we saw that Shahaji Raje was first working with the Nizam Shah, then again he started working with the Adil Shah, then who called Nizam Shah's mother called to Shahaji Raje, please come back to the Nizam Shah and save the Nizam Shahi. Then again Shahaji Raje left working for the Adil Shahi. Adil Shah was quite angry. उसके वजह से क्या हुआ, आदिल शाह को बहुत गुस्सा आया. Why? Because Shahaji Raje got back to the Nizam Shah. So Adil Shah got very angry. He sent a huge army to the Pune, where he sent the huge army to the Pune and completely destroyed the Pune. पूरा destroy कर दिया था, पूरा नाश तहस नहस कर दिया था. Okay, किसको? पुणे को. Because it was the Shahaji's Jagir. Pune and Supe is the Jagir of Shahaji Raje. So who did destroy the Pune? आदिल शाह destroyed the Pune completely. पुणे को destroy कर चुके थे वो. Okay. Jijabai was going to have a baby soon. That time Jijabai was pregnant. Okay, she was having a baby soon. And Shahaji wanted her to be in a safe place. Shahaji Raje को अपनी पत्नी जिजाबाई को कहाँ पे रखना था? In a safe place. Okay. There was war everywhere. हर जगह पे क्या चल रहा था? War was going on all the time. She needed to be somewhere peaceful and quiet. Quiet. उसको क्या चाहिए था? Peaceful. शांति चाहिए थी. Okay, to whom Jijabai wants a peaceful शांति और दिमाग को भी शांति चाहिए थी and quiet place. She wanted a quiet place to give the birth to a child. Okay. Shahaji thought a lot. उन्होंने बहुत सोचा अभी क्या किया जाए. What will do? Where my wife Jijabai will go and give the birth to the child, and decided to send Jijao. What is the name of Jijabai? Jijao to the Shivneri fort in Junnar. कहाँ पे भेजा उन्होंने? Shivneri fort in the Junnar. Junnar is a Pune district. Is in Pune district. कहाँ पर है Junnar? It's in Pune district. It is one of the oldest cities of India. It is one of the oldest, Juni Purani oldest city है. Okay, more than 100 caves. More than 100 caves are carved out in the mountain around Junnar. There are mountains around the Junnar city. 100 caves are there. How many caves are there? 100 caves are there. Carved means कोरे हुए. Okay, out in the mountain around the Junnar city. The commander of the fort was a relative of Shahaji. That time, the commander of that fort, of which Shivneri fort, is the relative of Shahaji Raje. Relative क्या होता है? अपने relation वाले. Okay, relative थे. किसके? Shahaji Raje. And so called take some care of Jijao. तो उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि I will send Jijabai to this where Shivneri fort. Okay, then he sent Jijabai to the Shivneri fort because the relative was only the commander was a relative of the Shahaji Raje. That way, she will get some. Again, I am repeating, children. The commander of fort was a relative of Shahaji and so could take good care of Jijao. That way, she could get some rest and could look after herself well. Means वो वहाँ पर जाके रेस्ट भी कर सकती है, खुद को देख भी सकती है, देखभाल कर सकती है. Shivneri was an old fort. Shivneri was an old fort. Very strong and steady. Means जहाँ हिलने a very strong fort. Shivneri was an old and strong fort. Okay. Study. It was in a Sahyadri mountain. कहाँ पे था शिवनेरी फोर्ट? In the Sahyadri mountain. There were many temples all around. There were many temples all around. All around क्या था? उसके आजू बाजू में क्या था? Temples थे. क्या थे? Temples थे. There were grand gates. क्या थे? Grand बड़े बड़े gates थे वहाँ पे. किसको? फोर्ट को, शिवनेरी फोर्ट को. Gardens were there, peacocks were there, monkeys were there, birds were there. Okay, caves. It was very charming and lovely place to be in. वहाँ पे कैसे था वो place? Very charming and lovely place. Okay, what was there in the Shivneri fort? It was garden, peacock, monkeys, birds, caves. It was a very charming and lovely place to be in. Jija was very happy to be in Shivneri. उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा. She was very happy. Jija Mata was very happy that I am there in Shivneri fort. This was in November 1629 when this place took place. कब लिया था ये, कब हुआ था ये सब कुछ? In November 1629. Children, write and keep this date. In November 1629. I am going to ask you afterwards in the question session. So write and keep this, okay? This was in the November 9, 1629. Good nurses and doctors kept visiting the fort to take care of Jijao. Good nurses and doctors keep visiting. Every time good nurses and doctor keep visiting means उनको देखने के लिए, उनकी देखभाल करने के लिए डॉक्टर और नर्सेज जाते रहते थे वहाँ. कहाँ पर? On the fort. In the fort to take care of Jija. The room for the baby was decorated. The room for the baby was decorated and ready रखा था रूम किसके? बेबी आने के लिए उसकी रूम डेकोरेट करके रख चुके थे लोग. And then on the 19th of February, कब हुआ शिवाजी महाराज? When his birth came? Date of birth is 19 February. A son was born to Jijao. क्या हुआ? बच्चा पैदा हुआ. It wasn't a son. Okay? Everybody was happy and drums were beating on the fort. What happened? Everybody was very happy. और ढोल ताशा बजना चालू हुआ on the fort. This was the first celebration there after almost 300 years. कभी हुआ ये celebration? After 300 years. उसके बाद, इतने सालों के बाद ये जश्न चालू हुआ. Okay, so they were celebrating this occasion so nicely. Then, because of the goddess Shivai, on the fort, Jijabai named her son Shivaji. I am repeating again the paragraph for you. There were grand gates. The gates were very grand. The gates were very big. What was there in the fort? It was the gardens, peacocks, monkeys, birds, caves. It was a very charming and lovely place to be in. Okay. How was the Shivneri fort? Understood everyone till here? Okay. Jija was very happy to be in the Shivneri. This took place where? ये कब हुआ था? In the November 1629. This was in the November 1629. Good nurses and the doctors kept visiting the fort to take care of Jija. The room for the baby was decorated and ready. And then on the 19th of February, a son was born to Jija. When does the Shivaji born? That date was 19th February. That date was 19th February. Okay, everybody was happy and drum were beating on the fort. This was the first celebration after how many years? After 300 years. After how many years? After 300 years. Okay, because of the goddess Shivai, on the fort, Jijabai named her son Shivaji. वहां पे कौन सी भगवान थी? शिवाई. गॉडेस वॉज देयर ऑन द फोर्ट. शिवाई. व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द गॉडेस? शिवाई. ऑन द फोर्ट. कहाँ पर थी? फोर्ट के ऊपर कौन सा मंदिर था? शिवाई भगवान का. जीजाबाई नेम्ड हर सन शिवाजी. शिवाजी वॉज हर सिक्स्थ सन. कौन कितना नंबर वाला सन था उनका? सिक्स्थ वन सन. ओके. द एल्डेस्ट वन वॉज संभाजी. बड़े वाला कौन था? संभाजी. द नेक्स्ट फोर डाइड. उसके बाद जो बच्चे थे वो सब लोग मर चुके थे. सो संभाजी वॉज द अलोन son. So after that Sambhaji who born? Shivaji Raje born. It's only now remaining 2. 6 minus 4 how much? Remaining 2. Okay. When they were babies. जब वो बच्चे थे तभी वो लोग मर चुके थे. Sambhaji was now 7 years old. कितने years के थे? 7 years old. He had just gotten married on the Shivneri fort too. At that time कितनी early में शादी होती थी देखा? In this age of 7 year only. That time he got married. Nowadays you can be a get married or what? अभी तुम लोग शादी कर सकते हो ये एज में? नहीं, पुलिस तुमको जेल में डालेगी, तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा को जेल में डालेगी. But that time Shivaj संभाजी got married in age of 7 years. कितने एज में थे? Only 7 years. Okay. शहाजी राजे heard good news. अभी शहाजी राजे को गुड न्यूज मिली. क्या मिली गुड न्यूज? After a few days, came to see his son. थोड़े दिनों के बाद वो अपने बच्चे को देखने आए. अपने बच्चे को देखने आए. Jijabai has people started calling her maid, sure that Shivaji was properly looked after and taken care of. जीजाबाई ने सबको बोल के रखा था कि इसकी ध्यान दिया करो उसके ऊपर. ओके, उसका टेक केयर करना है. लुक आफ्टर एंड टेक केयर ऑफ. एवरीवन लव्ड हिम एनीवे. मीन्स कैसे भी कोई भी हो उसको सब लोग प्यार करते थे. टू होम शिवाजी महाराज. ही वॉज अ हेल्दी, प्लेफुल एंड हैप्पी बेबी. He was a healthy, playful, happy baby. As he grew older, जैसे जैसे वो बड़ा होते गया, he started playing battle games. वो कौन सा गेम खेलते थे? बैटल वाला. तलवार लेके, लकड़ी की तलवार लेके अपने फ्रेंड के साथ खेलते रहते थे. With his friend. Had Chichabai watched, she hoped that this child would use their bravery for their own people. जैसे जैसे वो खेलते थे, जीजाबाई उनको देखती थी ऊपर से कि मेरे बच्चे खेल रहे, तलवार के साथ खेल रहे. पर होप सो दैट वे अपने आदमियों के लिए लड़ाई करे, ना कि ब्रिटिशों के लिए, ना कि मुस्लिमों के लिए. वो लड़े, सिर्फ अपने महाराष्ट्रियन के लिए लड़े, अपने हिंदूज के लिए लड़े. वो शिवाजी वो ऐसा सोचती थी. Like that, while seeing the Shivaji playing with the friends. Okay? At Jijabai was, she hoped that these children will use their bravery for their own people, not for foreign sultans. Not for foreign sultan. Understood everyone? Should I repeat the paragraph for you again? Okay. Shahaji Raje heard the good news and after a few days came to see his son. थोड़े दिनों के बाद वो अपने बच्चों को देखने आए. Jijabai, as people started calling her, made sure that Shivaji was properly looked after and take care of. And everyone loved him anyways. किसी भी हालत में उसको बहुत प्यार करते शिवाजी महाराज को. He was a healthy, playful and happy baby. How was the Shivaji? Healthy, playful and happy. As he grew older, जैसे जैसे वो बड़े हुए, he started playing battle games with his friends. Had Jijabai, we hope that these children could use their bravery for their own people and not for the other sultans. Okay, not for the foreign sultan. दूसरे लोगों के लिए नहीं लड़े, अपने खुद के आदमियों के लिए. For our people, for our Hindus, for our Maharashtrians. Okay. As Shivaji grew up in the Sahyadri, कहाँ पे वो बड़े हुए? In the Sahyadri mountain. Okay. He started loving the mountains because he grew up in the Sahyadri mountain. माउंटेन कैसे होता है? एवरीवेयर, आजू बाजू में कैसे एवरीथिंग ग्रीनरी इज देयर, ट्रीज आर देयर, बिग बिग ट्रीज आर देयर. So he loved their mountains. He started finding out new routes and different ways of attacking or defending the places. He made friends with the poor people. Shivaji Maharaj made friendship with the poor people. Poor फ्रेंड्स के साथ, वो पुअर पीपल के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करने लगे. ही लव्स द पीपल. कौन से पीपल हो, पैसे वाले हो, गरीब हो, पर शिवाजी महाराज यूज्ड टू लव देम. ओके, देन एंड प्लेड विद देम. ऑल ऑफ देम रियली लाइक शिवाजी. सबको शिवाजी बहुत पसंद थे. Why? Because he was very nice person. Okay, he used to eat with the poor child also. Poor people के साथ वो खाना भी खाते थे. कौन सी? भाकरी कांदा. You know भाकरी and कांदा? All must be knowing भाकरी and कांदा. He used to eat that. Okay, he used to eat that. As time passes, जैसे जैसे टाइम निकलता गया, Shivaji became stronger. Smarter and more confident. कैसे बने वो? As the time चलता गया, निकलता गया, become stronger and smarter and more confident. 6 years passed. कितने years passed हुए? 6 years passed like this. It was a quite happy and a peaceful time for Shivaji. वो टाइम कैसा था? एकदम मस्त, पीसफुल, एकदम शांति से चल रहा था. खेलने कूदने में उनके दिन चले गए. Jijabai made sure that Shivaji understood the right things too. जीजाबाई को क्या लगा कि शिवाजी को सब कुछ सही तरीके से समझना जरूरी है, गलत चीज उनको नहीं आनी चाहिए. Everything she could sit with him. Every evening she could sit with him. एवरी इवनिंग क्या करती थी वो, शाम को अपने बच्चों को लेके, शिवाजी को लेके बेटा करती थी, उनको बाजू में बोलती थी बैठो और आई एम गोइंग टू से यू द स्टोरीज, अब देखो आगे, sit with him, okay, and tell him story of bravery kings, of people like Rama, Krishna, Bhim, and she could also tell him about the sant like Dhaneshwar, Namdev, Eknath. This made Shivaji all sons and great men. This made respect all sons and great men. Okay, we're having the textbook with him, with you. Okay, every must be having textbook. Okay, Shivaji passed the first 6 years of his life in a highly unsettled condition. Even so, Jijabai did not neglect his education. Unsettled condition means क्या होता है, जहाँ पे settle नहीं है condition, पूरी unsettled, ऊपर नीचे condition है अपनी. Even so, जीजाबाई did not neglect his education. उन्होंने ध्यान दिया, उन्होंने neglect नहीं किया अपने उनके education पे. Then too she was taking his studies. Okay, every evening she could light the household lamp. Every evening क्या करती थी, अपने घर का दिया वो जलाती थी. And then call Shivaji to her, और उनको अपने पास बुलाती थी. She would shower all affection on him and tell him the stories of Rama and Krishna. All her showers, her affection on him means क्या, अपना पूरा प्यार उस पर निछावर करती थी, उसके गालों को हाथ लगाती थी, उनके बालों से हाथ ये करती थी, लाइक दैट मीन्स निछावर करना. और ऑल हर अफेक्शन मीन्स व्हाट, प्यार जताना. And whose story she was telling? Of Rama and Krishna, of Bhim and Abhimanyu, of Rama, Krishna, Bhim and Abhimanyu. On other occasions, she could recite to him the devotional song of Namdev. और आजू बाजू में क्या बोलती थी, बाजू साइड में क्या बोलती थी, स्टोरीज भी बताती थी और सॉन्ग्स भी सिखाती थी. विच सॉन्ग, लाइक तम्मा तम्मा एंड ऑल दैट, नॉट अ डिवोशनल सॉन्ग, भगवान के सॉन्ग ऑफ नामदेव दानेश्वर, ऑफ नामदेव दानेश्वर और एकनाथ के सॉन्ग बोला करती थी. शिवाजी लाइक टू लिसन टू द एक्सप्लॉइट ऑफ मैन. शिवाजी को बहुत पसंद था मम्मी जो उनकी बताती थी स्टोरीज. He used to listen carefully. He used to listen carefully. Shivaji felt that on growing up, he should also display very like him. उनको भी क्या लगता था जब उनकी मम्मी स्टोरीज बताती थी, जैसे मैं आपको स्टोरीज बताती तुम लोग को भी लगता है ना, हाँ हम लोग भी ऐसा करेंगे वैसा करेंगे, सेम उनको भी ऐसा लगता है, नहीं आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी लाइक दैट पर्सन, ब्रेव पर्सन एंड ऑल दैट. ओके, मैं भी ऐसा फाइटिंग करूँगा वैसा फाइटिंग करूँगा, लाइक दैट. Jijabai used to tell him stories of many precious persons and sons that instilled in him a respect and honor for all the sons and great men. इसकी वजह से उनके दिल में रिस्पेक्ट हुआ, इसके इसके थ्रू respect to all the sons and great men. Children from poor families came to play with the Shivaji. Children from poor family came to play with the Shivaji. Sometimes he visited them in their huts. Sometimes वो कहाँ जाते थे, उनके हर्ट्स में जाते थे. And share their simple meal of onion and भाकरी. मैंने अभी बोला ना onion और भाकरी वो खाया करते थे. He used to go to the poor people house and eat onion and bhakri with great relish. हाँ कितना अच्छा है onion and bhakri तुम्हारी, I like this, ऐसे करके खाते थे. They invited interesting games. They invented interesting games to pass the time. Invented interesting games means अच्छे अच्छे games invent किए. The children of marvels were like birds in the forest. The children of marvels जैसे पंछी घूमते हैं ना आजू बाजू इधर उधर घूमते रहते थे, वैसे ही मावल्स के बच्चे आज पूरे फॉरेस्ट में घूमते रहते, लाइक बर्ड्स फ्लाइंग. ओके, इधर इधर अक्का दिन पूरा दिन खेलते रहते थे इन द फॉरेस्ट. They could imitate the sound of cuckoo or a parrot. कौन से साउंड निकालते थे, कुकू कुहू कुहू लाइक दिस, एंड पैरट के आवाज निकालते थे, और टाइगर टू परफेक्शन लाइक दैट. ओके, their pastime was building small fort. And a pastime means क्या होता है, पास टाइम करना. ओके ना, हम लोग होते हैं नेचुरल टाइम पास करते हैं. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट पास टाइम. what they were doing at that time, they were building a small fort. जैसे हम लोग किला बनाते हैं in Diwali vacations, okay, that like that, of earth. Earth means matti ka, and making earthen elephants and horses, and making earthen elephants and horses. They played hide and seek. Hide and seek क्या होता है? लपा छुपी. और play with the ball or a top. भौरा, ये तो बॉल से. शिवाजी joined them in all these games and become popular with them. शिवाजी को भी ये गेम पसंद था. शिवाजी को ये गेम पसंद था. Okay? शहाजी राजे returned to निजाम शाही all right. Okay? अभी शहाजी राजे towards the Mughals. Okay? शहाजी राजे रिटर्न हुए. कहाँ पर? निजाम शाही में रिटर्न हुए. But he did not get any peace of mind there. और उनको शांति नहीं मिली. कहाँ पर? निजाम शाही में उनको शांति नहीं मिली. पीस ऑफ माइंड में से शांति, सिर को शांति. निजाम शाह हिमसेल्फ वॉज द फिकल माइंडेड पर्सन. बहुत जला हुआ जलकुड़ा आदमी था. इसके ऊपर जलता था शाहजहाँ के ऊपर. पर्सन हु रेडिली बिलीव्ड ऑल गॉसिप. वो गॉसिप करता. गॉसिप मीन के खाना फूसी. हम ये ऐसा करते, वो ऐसा करते, इधर जाते उधर जाते, इसको ऐसा नहीं आते, इसको ऐसा नहीं. दिस इज व्हाट कॉल्ड गॉसिप. Okay, hence many conspiracies and petty rivalries infested the court. This led to the killing of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav openly in the court of instigation of Nizam Shah himself. इसी कोर्ट में यही जंग में कौन मर गया? लखुजी राव जाधव किल्ड. लखुजी राव जाधव को मार दिया गया. ओके. शहाजी राजे कुल नॉट withstand this infidelities. He left निजाम शाही. ये सब कुछ उनको नहीं देखा गया और उन्होंने क्या किया? निजाम शाही को छोड़ दिया. एंड ज्वाइन द मुगल. जहाँ को उन्होंने जाके ज्वाइन किया. मुगल को ज्वाइन किया उन्होंने. शाहजहाँ को जाके ज्वाइन किया. फर्स्ट ही ज्वाइंड निजाम शाही, then he left Nizam Shahi, then he joined Adil Shahi, then again he left Adil Shahi, then again he joined Nizam Shahi, now he joined Mughal. वो शाहजी राजे. देखो कितना कहाँ से कहाँ घूम रहे. Okay, then he joined Mughal. The Mughal Empire made him a Sardar at his court. Mughal Empire made him a Sardar at his court. At his court. In the meantime, secretly joining hand with the Mughal, Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah. अभी ये सब कुछ चल रहा था तो किसने किसको मार दिया? फतेह खान ने निज़ाम शाह को मार दिया. फतेह खान ने निज़ाम शाह को मार दिया. There was a complete injury in the state. अभी सब लोग के यहाँ पर हलचल मच गई. What is this going on? अभी तो लखुजी राव जाधव had died. Then now Nizam Shah died. What happened? What is going on there? It becomes evident that Fateh Khan was treacherous, planning enable to Mughal to swallow Nizam Shah. उसको क्या करना था? मुगल टू सॉलो द निज़ाम शाही. निज़ाम शाही को अपने इसमें गले में खा जाना नहीं था. उसको लेना था. उसको जाके वहाँ पर किंग बनना था. हु? फतेह खान. In return, the Mughal rewarded him with the treasury under the control of Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was enraged and so he left the service of the Mughal. He decided to teach them a lesson using all his might. He decided to teach him a lesson using all his might. Founding of a new Nizam Shahi. Now Nizam Shahi, नई वाली निज़ाम शाही कैसे फाउंड हुई? निज़ाम शाही नई कैसे फाउंड हुई? In order to force settle the Mughal Empire and the Wazir Fateh Khan, Shahaji Raje found out a child here from the Nizam family. अभी देखो यहाँ पे क्या किया? The वजीर फतेह खान. शाहजी राजे फाउंड आउट अ चाइल्ड. उसने एक चाइल्ड को हायर किया निज़ाम शाही की फैमिली से. And on the fort of Pigiri near Junnar, declared him as a new Nizam Shah. Shahaji Raja, what he did? He took one child from the Nizam Shah's family, and he declared that child as a Nizam Shah. Who did this? Shahaji Raja declared that child as a Nizam Shah. First, he established an altogether new kingdom, which included the territory between the river Godavari. He established altogether a new kingdom, नया kingdom उन्होंने build किया, which included the territory between the river Godavari and Neera. कहाँ पे किया उन्होंने? In the between of river Godavari and against Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje now began to fight the joint force of Mughal and Adil Shah using warrior tactic. but he could not sustain the war all by himself. शहाजी किसके साथ फाइट कर रहे थे? मुगल and आदिल शाह के फोर्स के. In 1636, unwillingly he signed a treaty of peace with Mughal. He could not create his own kingdom as the time were not favorable for him, but his daring spirit, candid and confidence among the Maratha people. उनकी स्पिरिट और उनकी डेयरिंग मराठा के लिए बहुत जरूरी थी. अगर वो ही हार जाते थे तो पूरा मराठा किंगडम हार जाता था, निजाम शाह हार जाता था. Okay, this proved useful for Shivaji in establishing Swaraj a few years later. Jijabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. Jijabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. After the downfall of Nizam Shahi downfall हुई, established by Shahaji Raje, its territory was divided by the Mughal and Adil Shah among themselves. Shahaji Raje Jagir of Pune. Again, I am repeating. Shahaji Raje Jagir of Pune and Supe lay within Adil Shah's shares. Lay within the Adil Shah's share. He gave it to the Shahaji Raje on his behalf. Now Shahaji Raje joined Adil Shah. Again, now listen carefully, children. Now Shahaji Raje joined Adil Shah's service. Adil Shah assigned to him the task of conquering the territory in distance Karnataka. Where? In the distance of Karnataka. Far away from the Pune. Far away from the Pune. कहाँ पे? कर्नाटका कहाँ पर है? Far away from the Pune. Sometimes after the departure of Shahaji Raje to Karnataka, Jijabai and Shivaji also joined him there. Jijabai and Shivaji also joined them there. Where? With whom? Shahaji Raje के साथ. कौन जाके ज्वाइन हुआ? कौन जाके उनको मिला? जिजाबाई और राजे, शिवाजी राजे ज्वाइन हुए वहां पर. शिवाजी चाइल्डहुड इन महाराष्ट्र वाज बीइंग वेरी हेक्टिक. बहुत ट्रबलसम था वहां पे उनका लाइफ इन महाराष्ट्र. उनका चाइल्डहुड ऐसे ही चला गया. He and Jijabai had to rush continuously from one place to fort to the another. हर बार जिजाबाई और इसको शिवाजी को यहाँ से वहां भागना पड़ता था. एक जगह पर वो कभी टिके नहीं. ये फोर्ट पर आज, वो फोर्ट पर आज. क्यों ऐसा होता था चिल्ड्रन? बिकॉज एनीबॉडी विल कट देयर हेड. कोई भी आके उनको मार सकता था, इसलिए वो एक जगह पे नहीं रहते थे. They used to go from one place to the another place. Okay. At that time, young Shivaji used to hear the story of brave deeds of his father. तब जब वो यंग थे, बहुत यंग थे, तभी वो क्या सुनते थे? स्टोरी ऑफ हिज फादर, कि मेरे पापा ने ऐसा किया. माय फादर डिड लाइक दिस, ही फॉट लाइक दिस इन दैट बैटल. ओके, अच्छा मेरे पापा ऐसे थे. लाइक दैट स्टोरी ही यूज्ड टू लिसन. जिजाबाई एंड शिवाजी गॉट सम पीस व्हेन दे अराइव्ड इन कर्नाटक. जहां वो कर्नाटक गए, थोड़ा उनको मन को शांति मिला. दे गॉट सम पीस. ओके, दे गॉट सम पीस. शाहजी राजे डिफीटेड many kings in Karnataka. वहां पे जाके उन्होंने बहुत सारे किंग को हरा दिया. आदिल शाह awarded him with जागीर of Bangalore. आदिल शाह ने उनको क्या अवार्ड दिया? जागीर of Bangalore. Shahaji Raje then made the city of Bangalore in his headquarter. Sorry. Shahaji Raje then made the city of Bangalore his headquarter. Bangalore में उन्होंने क्या बनाया? अपना खुद का headquarter बनाया. क्या बनाया? Headquarter. He lived there with all the trapping of a kings and began to summon the court. उन्होंने क्या किया? वहां पे वो लोग वहां पे ट्रैपिंग किंग के साथ रहना चालू किया एंड कोर्ट का जो काम रहता है ना कोर्ट का, वो चालू करना कंटिन्यूस चालू किया. Okay children, I have completed here our chapter.